Well, I decided to bite the bullet and delve into the seats. This video is as much for me to document how it looks. And this was the problem I had why I went with Miata seats, is most of these little springs are broke. I was actually rather surprised at the condition of the original foam. I mean, this stuff looks like it's brand new. It ain't dry rotted, it's not hard. But I got a new kit, Roadster Factory kit. I'll be putting that on. Burlap, little, not too bad a shape. Horsehair. Kind of has an odor though, so definitely won't be reusing that. So I'm going to take the bottom off. Probably end up sandblasting the frame and painting it. So when I get the bottom off, I'll film that. Alright, here we have the bottom. I'm going to document the location of these little clips. There's a clip right there, it's missing. It's one of these round clips. All right, that's the bottom. All right, this is the passenger seat, which I hadn't disassembled when I did my car, and I noticed I missed some clips. There's a little clip here. There's actually two of these round clips. Same thing over here. There's two of the round clips. Back at it. And I also just noticed on the passenger seat there's this little stud looking thing. I'm not really sure what that's for right now. I have to look into that. Didn't recall seeing one on the driver's side, but like I said, I took that seat apart back in 2014 when I did my car, so I don't remember. Alright, the end of the day video. And my brother spent the day massaging the bonnet, aka hood, and he got this thing fitting most excellent. Hell, you can't even hardly see the gap, but there's a little gap there. He's actually put one of the old beads on it just to see how the gap would come out, and it came out great. That is perfect. Got the high spots down. Yeah, it's like a new hood. And I spent the day disassembling the seats. I gotta tell you, I tackled this with a fair amount of trepidation. I had no idea what I was in for, but actually it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. This is the passenger seat, and its side bolster wires were intact. Also sandblasted them, as you can see. However, the driver's seat side bolsters were broken, as I previously shown you. And Gary on the Triumph Experience website made replacement wires for it, so I got me a set of those. I'm putting those in. So I'm going to primer them, paint them, put the kit on them. Got a set of vinyl tan seat covers I'll be putting on it from the Roadster Factory. So yeah, that's it for today. Good shot of the car. Later.